Hey guys, it's Geek Out Everything and we are back with another video guys, and in this video we'll be going to the unboxing and the review of these Plextone G20 gaming earphones, and these are the newer version of the G10 which I've reviewed earlier, so that's actually a pretty good thing. So guys, in this video we'll be going to do the unboxing, and there's one more surprise for you guys. I'm gonna give away one of these G20 gaming earphones to you guys because yeah, we haven't done a giveaway on a channel, so this is going to be the first giveaway on this channel. I'm really excited for that guys, so I'll talk about more on this later. So let's just quickly unbox it and see what is hidden under the hood. So guys, we have these earphones itself on the uh, front, so let me just take them out quickly. And I have these earphones in red color guys, but they also come in green color, so it just comes down to your personal preference which color you like. And we have some more accessories, like we have extra ear tips and ear supporters, pretty much. And we also have some extra accessories. Let's see. So this is audio and your headphone splitter that you can use with your desktop. If you want to use these earphones on your desktop, then you can use this cable. It will help you to do the same. And we also have this extender cable, kind of it will help you to actually increase the length of your earphones, so that's pretty nice. So guys, these are the earphones itself, and the first thing is that the looks, they actually looks pretty good. There nothing is wrong with the looks. They actually looks fairly good, I would say. And guys, in terms of the build quality, as you can see, they are totally made up of metal. So in terms of build quality, you don't have to worry about that. And the actual cable is also pretty good. We'll talk about that later. And they have a kind of angle, so that's actually pretty nice. And guys, if I just talk about the one of the feature that I really like about these earphones is that magnetic feature. It was also there in the previous version, which was G10, and we also have this in the G20 as well, so that's nice. And guys, this feature is actually pretty cool, and this thing it's not necessary, but it is good. It is nice to have something like this. So guys, this is the microphone module that we have, and this is totally made up of plastic, and I don't like this guys. It could be better if it made up of metal, but yeah. And we also have this volume slider, the usual thing that you will get with the Plextone earphones. All Plextone earphones have this feature, and it's actually pretty nice. So guys, that is actually what it is. It could be better if it's made up of metal, but yeah, that's what we have right now. So yeah, it's not a deal breaker, but it could be better if it's made up of metal. So yeah, that's what it is. So guys, now if I talk about the cable quality, then cable quality is no, it's made up of rubber. It's not braided or anything like that, but guys, the cable quality is actually good. It's not the best I've seen, but it does the job pretty well, and I don't think there's any problem with the cable quality. It's flat style cable, so it will not get tangled or anything like that. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. So you don't have to worry about this. So guys, now let's just talk about the fitting and the comfortability. Then as you can see, they are angular, so in terms of fitting, they are actually really good. They just sits in my ear pretty nicely, so that's a good thing. And if you're a guy who listen music for a long time or play games for a long time, then guys, these earphones will do a pretty good job for you. You will not feel any kind of pain or something like that if you are wearing these earphones for a long time. So that's actually a pretty nice thing. And they are actually not very much heavy. They are actually fairly light, so you don't have to worry about that. And I don't think so there's any problem with the comfortability and fitting, so you don't have to worry about that. So guys, if I just talk about the sound quality of these earphones, then I have to say the sound quality is really nice, and they have a increased bass. So if you're a kind of guy who loves bass in their music, then these earphones are for you. And the bass is not like it's hiding vocals or messing up with the highs. The bass is there where it needed, and that is what I like about these earphones. So guys, if you are a guy who loves bass, then these earphones are good for you. You can buy them. So guys, that is actually what it is. All over in terms of sound quality, they are beast in at a 1500 rupees. So guys, now let's just talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. So guys, I will be giving one of these G20 earphones to you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be a first giveaway on our channel. So guys, I'm really excited. So to just participate in this giveaway, guys, you don't have to do anything. Just subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. I have the link in the description below, because on Instagram I will be announcing the winner of this giveaway. So just follow me on Instagram and just subscribe to this channel. And guys, you can also comment below to increase the chances. You can just comment down below. You can ask me any question, and you can also just comment about these earphones, what you like. So guys, that's actually what it is. I'm really excited for this giveaway. And so yeah, that's actually what it is. So guys, that's it for this video now. And if you just simply like this video, guys, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, then get subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and just participate in this giveaway. And goodbye, see you later.